Good morning YouTube and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I've been lost in the garden, but as the weather's getting cooler I thought I'd come back and do a bit of crafting. I wanted to talk to you about the Knitty critters. I've done quite a few of these. This is one that's waiting for me to do. And I'll show you some of the other ones I've done. I'll get pictures of the actual items and put them up there, but these are the booklets at the moment. So this was the first one I did, and this is Jeremy the giraffe, I think he's called. Yeah, he was quite an easy one to do, and I did him for my grandson. Then I did the teddy for Sienna. And I did a bag and some bits to go with it, and I will put a picture up there. Then I did the Christmas gnome, which I've got up in my loft, which I'll be digging out when I put the Christmas decorations up, and he was lovely to do. I might do, now I've got the pattern, I could do some in different colours. And then I did this for one of my, I think it was one of my grandsons wanted it. So yeah, the llama. So, but I'll dig out the pictures and put them up here. But they usually come in this size box. And like I say, I've got this doggy one to do. I think I bought this because it was reduced, but I haven't got round to decide who I'm going to do it for or gift it to out of my, I've got 8 grandchildren, but 7 are under 7, so, or 7 and under. So, I haven't decided which one to do it for, but I came across these new ones, and as you can see that is quite a big box, and this is the new one, and you can see it, the box is a lot smaller. These are about 9.5 inches tall. They vary in size, and there's several different ones, as you can see, all the different lovely dolls. So I thought I quite fancied one, and I saw this one and I was thinking of Sienna for that one. So and what I thought I might do, as usual, I've really sort of put in extra work for myself, but I thought it'd be nice if I could find a green t-shirt that would fit my granddaughter and some fabric, and I could make her a little tartan skirt, and then she could dress up like the doll, and that would be a Christmas present. And then I was looking on the back and I thought, well, there's some other ones. I just would have to change the colour of the hair, but I quite fancy that one for my youngest granddaughter and her older sister. I could do that one, and I could do matching outfits for them, but we'll see. We'll concentrate on this one first and see how long this takes. But yes, I thought I'd show you what's in the box, because it's quite a small box, and it was smaller than I expected. So it arrived, I got it from Amazon, I think it was £19, and that's how it comes with all the bits and pieces. They're quite small balls of wool, so they're quite thin thread. I don't know what it says on here. They're only 25 grams, and they use size 3, 2.5 to 3.5 crochet hook or 3 knitting needle. So yeah, they don't say sort of what they are, but it might say in the book. But there's several colours. So we've got, I presume this is for the hair, if I can find the book with the picture on. So it's different, it's not a book this time. It's like that. So I would have thought this one was for the hair, this one was for the face, and then we've got the green and brown, which I think is for the jumper. It's got a bit of green and brown striped on there. And then we've got some cream. Oh, the hat needs some brown as well. And then we've got some cream and some green. I'm not quite sure which one is used for the skin out of those. One's a pinky cream. It's terrible lighting in here. One's a pinky cream and one is a beige. So you see just the slightly different colours there. Yeah, and there's the tartan fabric. So it comes in a little bag, so you have to sew that yourself. It's just a square. And you've got this crochet hook, which is a 2.5, and the stuffing, and that's it. So yeah, so I plan to give that a go. I think that'll be nice. And then hopefully I can, it's quite good instructions. So, and there on how to do the skirt, the hair, and the legs and everything. So, oh yes, should be good. Okay. My daughter's off to the gym. And there's some more instructions on the hat, I think that is. So yes, so I'm looking forward to doing that. So I'm going to give that a go, and I'll let you know how I get on. The light, I'm sorry for the light, it's terrible here. It's the sun coming through the window, but so you can't see the difference in those. But there is slightly different colour. If I might take a picture and put it up at the side of the screen with my phone, and you'll see the different colours. It'll be better. But yeah, so I'll get back to you and show you what I have done. Bye for now.